How to start generating revenue from home with eBay. Learn how to generate your own revenue from home by following 5 simple steps to establish and grow a thriving eBay business. Step 1. Set the foundation. Treat it like a real job. Establish a daily work schedule and habits. Set up a business structure. Form a sole proprietorship or LLC and set up a business bank account. Register on eBay. Use your business information to set up your account. Start small. Source inventory from thrift stores, garage sales, and clearance aisles. Focus on niches. Consider clothing, shoes, and accessories for ease of shipping and handling. Research brands. Learn about valuable brands through online research and reseller communities. Utilize resources. Follow other resellers on social media and use flashcards for brand recognition. Step 3. Listing your items. Consistency is key. List items daily to keep your store active and improve search rankings. Quality listings. Ensure good lighting for photos and provide clear, detailed descriptions. Manage inventory. Develop an efficient system for storing and locating your items. Step 4. Shipping process. Be efficient. Set up a dedicated shipping station with all necessary supplies. Flat rates. Charge flat rates for shipping based on item size and weight. Offer free returns. This can be more enticing for buyers and improve customer satisfaction. Step 5. Excellent metrics. Maintain high standards. Ensure top-notch customer service, quick responses, and prompt shipping. Use eBay tools. Utilize promotions, best offers, and other eBay features to enhance your store. Stay organized. Keep track of inventory to avoid canceling orders and maintain high seller ratings. Tips for success. Patience and persistence. Building a successful eBay store takes time and effort. Adapt and learn. Continuously improve your processes and stay informed about market trends. Customer service. Handle returns and refunds gracefully to maintain positive feedback and ratings. Utilize eBay support. Contact eBay for help with negative feedback or account issues. Conclusion. Starting an eBay business can be a rewarding way to generate income from home. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent and organized approach, you can build a successful and sustainable online store. Stay patient, keep learning, and treat your business with the seriousness it deserves. Happy selling!